today we're going to learn how to make an easy origami hat. Now, this simple origami hat is made from one sheet of rectangular paper. It's fun and easy for kids to make. So we don't need square paper today. Today we're going to need regular sheet of paper, rectangular piece. So we're going to fold the top edge down to the bottom. Take the top. I'm going to take a nicer sheet of paper. There. Fold the top to the bottom in half. Just like that. So we got that opening at the bottom. So the top to the bottom. Then we're going to take your right side and we're going to fold it over to the left. Sorry, the paper decided to fold weird on the inside and start trying to crease. So I had to fix that. But anyways, so we got our first fold is fold down. Second one is fold to the right or left. Fold the right to the left. And then unfold that. And then we're going to take the top right corner and fold it down to the left using the line we just made, the crease we just made. Come on, crease where I want you to. There you go. And then repeat it on the other side. It's probably better if you make this with a larger triangle sheet of paper. We're going to take the bottom, just the one layer. So take that one layer and fold it up. We're going to fold it up just to that line. Then we're going to flip it over. And we're going to fold the other side up. Evenly with what we did on the other side. And then your hat's done. It's that easy. You just take it, open it up, stick it on your head. And that's your hat. Alternately, you could take and fold it if you wanted to. But I think it looks cool with it out like that. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.